So we got the blower assembly, the blower housing mounted. We're securing it. Upon my arrival, we did notice the blower housing was very, very loose. Could be the cause of the pressure switch not interlocking. We're creating enough vacuum to lock the switch. But gotta have the right tools for all this. We're gonna put the gas control valve all back together, and then we're gonna test fire here in the next 5 minutes. Let's see, gas. Chalax. Thank you. Oh, thank you there, feller. My little feller. Oh, nice. They don't fit in here.
I thought I was your little feller. I missed a couple hours and I said I'm done.
Let's get the vacuum line in. Oh, look at that.
It's pinched.
Yeah, get a knife. Let's cut this. Okay, yours? Right here, I got mine. Yeah, pinch holes don't do us any good. Try not to cut my fingers. Looks like I need a new blade. True Value or La Pulga, $4.99. All right. Gas is back on. Vacuum lines are not kinked, so that looks good. This is snug in pretty good. So last thing we need is a gas stick. Ah, that breaker's off.